Today we will show you how to use the McKinney concealed hinge jig. You will need a concealed hinge jig, steel prep plates, concealed hinges, a 4mm Allen key, a drill, and a router with a 30mm copying ring and a 16mm self-drilling slotting cutter. Next, measure and mark hinge locations. Refer to your hinges installation instructions for hinge arrangement, load capacity, and the required number of hinges. Mark hinge positions accordingly. Position the jig. Align the center of the jig with the marked midpoint of the hinge prep. Set blocking angles. Adjust to the recommended distance for your hinge type. Use the prep plates to match the hinge shape. Secure the template. Slide the prep plate to the guide position, then lock it in place by tightening the nuts. Manually tighten the screw until the jig is firmly secured to the door or frame. Adjust jig height if needed. Loosen the screws and adjust the distance between the profile surface and jig support. Position the plate for the first prep. Use the plate with the larger prep hole for milling the first, shallower prep. Mill the first prep. Guide the sleeve through the milled hole in the plate to achieve the correct shape. Make one complete pass to finish the first prep. Position the plate for the second prep. Switch to the plate with the smaller prep hole for milling the second, deeper prep. Mill the second prep. Guide the sleeve through the milled hole in the plate to form the correct shape. Make one complete pass to finish the second prep. Remove the jig. Position the hinge. Place the hinge into the prepared mortise. Drill the holes. Using the hinge as a guide, drill 4mm holes or size appropriate to the profile material to the required depth. And you're finished.